Om Shanti. Today's Murli essence. Sweet children, the old tree is to be destroyed in this Mahabharat war. Therefore, claim your full inheritance from the father before the war takes place. Question. Baba wants a gathering of mothers, but what speciality should group have? Answer. It should be a gathering that makes full effort to remain soul conscious. They should have the firm faith that they have to become pure and make the world pure. They mustn't become impure. Only when the group is that of destroyers of attachment can they show wonders. There should be no attachment to anyone. Strings of attachment cause a lot of loss. Om Shanti. You sweetest children know that sweet Baba has come here to make you into residents of heaven. This is in the intellects of you children. Explain to everyone that we souls become pure through the pilgrimage of remembrance. Simply to remember the Father is such an easy method. You children know that the Father gives you the inheritance of liberation and liberation in life in just a second. All are now in lives of bondage. All are now in lives of bondage. They are in the bondage of Ravan's kingdom. Only the Father and you children know this. No one else. You children have the faith that you are remembering your unlimited Father. Therefore, you souls should have a lot of happiness inside you of now having found the Father whom you have been remembering for half the cycle. They continue to remember the Father when they experienced sorrow. You also used to remember the Father in this way, but you now no longer remember the Father out of sorrow. You know that the Father whom the whole world remembers has now come. Baba has repeatedly explained to you that when you sit here, you must consider yourselves to be souls and understand Baba has come from the supreme abode. He comes every cycle according to his promise. Baba promised that when you call out to him and when half the cycle has finished, he will have to come. After the Iron Age, there has to be the Golden Age, and so I have to come. Only you children know it is now the Confluence Age and Baba has come. You children also do service. You continue to give the Father's introduction day after day. Everyone continues to receive incognito of the Father. You souls sitting here understand that Shiv Baba, the unlimited Baba, has come once again to give you your unlimited inheritance. You say, Baba, Baba, we have come to Shiv Baba. Shiv Baba also says, I have entered an ordinary body exactly as I did in the previous cycle. You mustn't forget this. Maya makes you forget the Baba who makes you pure from impure. You know that the one Satguru is the bestower of salvation for all. Sikhs say Sat Shri Akal, in bracket, truth, elevated, eternal. Only the purifier is called the Satguru. People call out O purifier souls, call out. You now know that you have come to meet the Father personally. When important people meet one another, there is so much praise of them. They welcome one another with a lot of splendor and happiness, and with bands playing music. Who has come here in an incognito form? Who has come here in an incognito form? Only you know this. He is called the traveler who is the resident of faraway land. You souls know that you are residents of the supreme land. You have come here as travelers to play your parts. No one in the world knows any of the words that the Father explains. You are listening to the Father, and you should imbibe very well what He says. The Father explains, all of you are travelers on this field of action. We are residents of the land of silence. We then come here to the talky world. We are travelers from the land of silence who play our parts of 84 births here. Finally, these are the last moments. The Father has come to make the old world new. Only you know this. The pictures are very clear. Shiv Baba is establishing the new world through Brahma. It isn't that he carries out establishment through Krishna or Vishnu. The Father comes to create heaven through Brahma. The Father has entered an ordinary body. This is the impure world. There isn't a single pure being in this world. Even the number one Lakshmi and Narayan have become impure. Those who were pure have become impure. This includes the whole dynasty. You know that you who belonged to the deity religion became those of the Shudra religion. Although many wealthy people live in America, America is nothing compared to the golden age. All of that was created later. It is a temporary show. Destruction has to take place. You children should have very good intoxication. It is such a wonder that you children don't remember the Father who makes you into the masters of heaven. Maya doesn't allow you to remember Him. Maya doesn't allow you to remember Him. You children now say, Baba, Maya doesn't allow us to remember you. Oh, are you not able to remember the Baba who makes you into masters of heaven for 21 births? Even the subjects become masters of heaven. All remain happy. Now all are unhappy. The Prime Minister, President, etc. are buried day and night. So many die in a war, etc. You know the Mahabharat war is very well known. However, what happened in that war isn't anyone's intellect. The Father has made it sit in your intellect that everyone died in the Mahabharat war. The human world population is so large. There is a tree of souls too. At first, when a tree is new, it is very small. Then it continues to grow. You know that at first, when it was the deity religion, the tree was very small. There was the original eternal deity religion. Now, there is a variety of religions. all of them are to be destroyed in the Mahabharata war. However, no one has this knowledge, although it is said that it is the same war. No one knows what is going to happen through it. You have now been enlightened. You know that destruction has to take place, and this is why you should claim your inheritance before the Mahabharata war takes place. This is a very easy matter. Become pure and remember the Father. Many children are assaulted. There should be a group of you mothers to protect one another. However, you definitely have to become soul conscious. We definitely have to become pure. There has to be this very firm intoxication. Only those who remain in this intoxication are able to explain. We have to remember the Father and become pure. There should be the intoxication that we are spinners of the cycle of self-realization. We know the Father, the Creator, and the cycle of creation. We now have to claim our inheritance of the new world of the golden age from the Father. Continue to explain how you take 84 births. The Father says, remember me and your sins will be absolved. You definitely have to become pure. Pure means pure. Lust is the greatest enemy. We have now completed the cycle of 84 births. We now have to claim our inheritance from the Father. The Father says, remember me and your sins will be absolved. You come here to be refreshed. Remember me, your Father, and claim your inheritance for 21 births. There should not be any strings of attachment to anyone. Become destroyers of attachment. There shouldn't be any attachment of your bodies. Those are old skins, but you do have to look after them so that you can study. When there are difficulties in bracket with the body, they have to do patched up. You now know they are old decayed bodies. Something or other continues to happen to them. It is the soul who feels the pain. You know, you have to shade your bodies. You now have to support them with the power of yoga. Continue to remember the Father. Consider yourselves to be souls and remember the Father. That's all. None of your worldly relatives should be remembered. I am not a body, but a soul. The Father says, I have come to give you souls the inheritance. When souls are pure, they receive good bodies. You souls know that you now have to become pure. When you were pure, you were like Lakshmi and Narayan. Lakshmi and Narayan have taken 84 births. The whole Sun dynasty takes 84 births. You cannot say the Moon dynasty will take 84 births. Yes, those who become maids and servants in the Sun dynasty in the beginning will attain some status in the Silver Age. You would say that they do take 84 births. The king, queens and subjects, maid and servants in the Sun dynasty take 84 births. Talk to yourself in this way about how you take 84 births. You have to churn the ocean of knowledge. You have to churn the ocean of knowledge. Continue to remember the Father and your inheritance as much as possible. While walking and moving around, consider yourselves to be Baba's children. Give anyone you meet Baba's introduction. All the knowledge is in these pictures. Explain everything. Baba has come in the body of Brahma. All of us are Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. Baba has come to make us VKs into the masters of heaven. The Father of all souls is one. We are Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. You can show your own cards. When you give your business card to anyone in the office, they are not able to understand who the BKs are. There are many types of obstacles. It is also explained to the government that this is our family. There is Dada and Baba. We are claiming our inheritance through Dada. By remembering this, there should be happiness. The property belongs to the grandfather, and the grandchildren have a right to do it. They share everything among themselves. You also understand that you are your inheritance, claiming your inheritance from Shiv Baba through Brahma Baba. You, while Kumars and Kumaris are still in their adolescence, their parents have to look after them. It is the children's duty to study. It is the children's duty to study. You study in order to be able to stand on your own feet. You know that Baba is reaching us for 21 births. We will then be able to stand on our own feet. The more we study, the higher the status we claim. You yourself say that you come here to become Sri Lakshmi and Sri Narayan. This is the story of the true Narayan. No one knows how Lakshmi and Narayan take 84 births. The devotees of Radhe say that Radhe is present everywhere. The devotees of Krishna say that Krishna is everywhere. And devotees of Shiva say that Shiva is everywhere. They have completely mixed everything up. They say that God, Radhe, Krishna, etc. are all omnipresent. That all of them are forms of God, that God has adopted those forms. They say, wherever I look, I only see you. They have become completely senseless. This is a vicious, impure world. The golden age is a viceless, pure world. The meaning of viceless world is heaven. People say there are children there too. So, how are they born? They just ask this question. They ask, how can the world continue if children aren't born? They carry out a population census every year to see by how much the population has increased. They don't show how many have died. Therefore, you children should first of all benefit yourselves. I am a soul, first of all. Have this faith. Remember Baba. It is said, if you remember Narayan in your final moments, ... to say, if you remember Narayan in your final moments is wrong. It should be those who remember Shiv Baba in their final moments. Those who die with this concern will become like Narayan in heaven. Why do they speak of remembering Narayan in their final moments? They think that Krishna gave knowledge, so they should therefore remember Sri Krishna in their final moments. They do remember Krishna, but no one knows about Narayan. They celebrate the birthday of Krishna. But what about the birthday of Radhe? They celebrate the birthday of Krishna. But what about that of Narayan? No one knows about the king and queen of the world, Lakshmi and Narayan. They would have been the mouth-worn creation of Prajapita Brahma. Where did they go? They say, salutations of the Brahmins who are to become deities. They were the mouth-born creation of Brahma. You children understand that Shiv Baba is establishing the Brahmin religion through Brahma. It wasn't Brahma who created the Brahmin religion, but Shiv Baba. This one has only now become Brahma. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children say Namaste to the spiritual father. Essence for Dharana. First, study and earn an income for 21 births while in that old body. Look after it, but let there not be any strings of attachment to it. Second, practice so that at the end you only remember Shiv Baba. Do not get caught up in thinking about anything else. Bring benefit to yourself. Blessings. May you have a combined form and experience Bap Dada to be personally in front of you in a corporeal form. In detail, just as Shiv and Shakti are combined, in the same way, the father of the Pandavas and the Pandavas are combined. For those who stay in the combined form, Bap Dada is in front of them in all relationships in a corporeal form. Now, day by day, you will experience Bap Dada coming in front of you more and his holding your hand. You will not see him with your intellect, but with your eyes. You will experience him, but you simply have to make the lesson of belonging to the one Father and none other form. Then, just as the shadow is always around you, in the same way, Bap Dada will not move away from your eyes. You will constantly experience him to be in front of you. Slogan: elevated souls who become conquerors of Maya and conquerors of matter benefit themselves and also benefit the world. Om Shanti.